Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. In today's video, we will learn 20 new general knowledge multiple choice question and answer across a variety of topics. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. Which country drinks the most coffee per capita? Option A USA, B Russia, C China, and D Finland. The correct answer is Finland. Finland consumes the most coffee per capita globally. Especially Finns drink an average of 12.5 kilograms of coffee per person per year. Question number 2. What body of water separates Saudi Arabia from Africa? Option A Mediterranean, B Red Sea, C Caspian Sea, and D Arabian Sea. The correct answer is Red Sea. The Red Sea separates Saudi Arabia from Africa. It's a large body of water and inlet of the Indian Ocean, situated between the Arabian Peninsula and the continent of Africa. Question number 3. The Black Forest is located in which European country? A. Germany, B. Britain, C. France, and D. Spain. The correct answer is Germany. The Black Forest is located in Germany, especially in the state of Baden-Württemberg in the southwestern Germany. It is the largest forest mountain range and is known for its dense woodland and rolling landscapes. Question number 4. The god who is the most prominent in Rig Veda is A. Indra, B. Agni, C. Pasupati, and D. Vishnu. The correct answer is Indra. The most prominent god in the Rig Veda is Indra. He is the god of storm, war, and the thunder, and is celebrated as the king of the gods. Indra has the highest number of hymns dedicated to him in the Rig Veda, exceeding any other deity. Question number 5. What is the fastest land snake in the world? Option A Black Mamba, B Viper, C King Cobra, and D Anaconda. The correct answer is Black Mamba. The Black Mamba, native to parts of sub-Saharan Africa, can reach speed up to 12 miles per hour on land, making it the fastest snake species. Besides its speed, it is also known for its potent venom and aggressive defense behavior when threatened. Question number 6. By which process does a plant release water vapor? A. Condensation, B. Evaporation, C. Transpiration, and D. Chlorination. The correct answer is transpiration. A plant releases water vapor through the process called transpiration. This process involves the evaporation of water from the spongy mesophyll cells within the plant leaves, followed by the diffusion of water vapor through air species and out of tiny pores called stomata. Question number 7. A substance which can act both as an antiseptic and disinfectant is A. Teflon, B. Enzyme, C. Phenol, and D. Starch. The correct answer is phenol. Phenol can act as both an antiseptic and disinfectant. Especially a 0.2% solution of phenol is used as an antiseptic, while a 1% solution is used as a disinfectant. Question number 8. Which desert of the world is known as friendly desert? A. Thar Desert, B. Sahara Desert, C. Thar Desert, and D. Gobi Desert. The correct answer is third jet. Question number 9. 1 degree of longitude on the equator is equal to a distance of A. 112 km, B. 96 km, C. 86 km, and D. 60 km. The correct answer is 112 km. Question number 10. What is the national sport of Indonesia? Option A. Golf, B. Football, C. Polo, and D. Badminton. The correct answer is badminton. Question number 11. Which country is the leading producer of cocoa? Option A. Brazil, B. Ghana, C. Ivory Coast, and D. Nigeria. The correct answer is Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast is the leading producer of cocoa globally. It produces approximately 40.9% of the world cocoa, making it the undisputed leader in cocoa production. Following close behind is Ghana and then Indonesia. Question number 12. Queen Elizabeth II owned at least 30 individuals of which kind of dog? A. Labrador, B. Husky, C. Dalmatian, and D. Corgi. The correct answer is Corgi. Queen Elizabeth II owned at least 30 Pembroke Welsh Corgis. She was known for her love of the breed, and they were a prominent part of her life throughout her reign. The Queen Corgis were more than just pets, they were considered part of the royal family. Question number 13. Which scientist was named Person of the Century by the Time magazine? A. D. Roosevelt, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Albert Einstein, and D. Marie Curie. The correct answer is Albert Einstein. The Time magazine named Albert Einstein the Person of the Century in its December 31, 1999 issue. He was chosen for his intellectual brilliance and humanitarian concern, being described as a paramount icon of our age. Question number 14. What year was the first iPhone released? Option A 2002, B 2004, C 2005, and D 2007. The correct answer is 2007. The first generation iPhone is the first smartphone developed and marketed by Apple Incorporation. After a year of rumors and speculation, it was officially announced on January 9, 2007 and was released in the United States on June 29 in 2007. Question number 15. Who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar? Option A. Charaka, B. Panini, C. Aryabhat, and D. Kalidas. The correct answer is Panini. Panini was an ancient Indian scholar who is credited with writing the first comprehensive grammar of Sanskrit, known as the Astadhyayi. This work, composed around the 4th century BC, consists of nearly 4,000 rules and is considered a foundational text in the study of linguistics. Question number 16. Dialysis is used for the treatment of A. Heart attack, B. Blood cancer, C. Kidney failure, and D. Diabetes. The correct answer is kidney failure. When the kidneys are no longer able to effectively filter waste products and excess fluid from the blood, dialysis performs this function artificially. It helps maintain the balance of electrolytes and remove toxins from the body. Question number 17. Which one of the following vaccines was first discovered? A. Smallpox, B. BCG, C. Cholera, and D. Typhoid. The correct answer is smallpox. The smallpox vaccine was developed by Edward Jenner in 1796. He observed that milkmaid who had contracted cowpox, a small milder disease, did not get smallpox. Jenner used material from cowpox sores to create an immunity against smallpox, laying the foundation for the modern immunology and the vaccination. Question number 18. When is International Nurses Day observed? A. 12 February, B. 12 May, C. 12 March, and D. 12 April. The correct answer is 12 May. This date marks the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, born May 12, 1820, who is considered the founder of modern nursing. The day honors the contribution of nurses around the world and raises awareness about the crucial role they play in healthcare. Question number 19. Which Asian country flag has a picture of Angkor Wat on it? A. Thailand, B. Vietnam, C. Myanmar, and D. Cambodia. The correct answer is Cambodia. The colors that appear on Cambodia flag are red, blue, and white. The Angkor Wat temple was built by the Khmer people in the 12th century under the reign of King Surya Varman II. Question number 20. How many legs does an adult butterfly have? Option A 4, B 6, C 8, and D 10. The correct answer is 6. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.